Ever since dental school, I just really haven't enjoyed packing cord in crown preparation cases. It's just one of those hassles that, the patient doesn't like it. It takes a long time. I'm not really a big fan of it. Using a diode laser really takes the place of packing cord. I get good control of circular fluid, I have good hemostasis, and it takes just a few moments to open it up. I would also say it's probably an imperative if you're doing any type of digital impression at all. The diode laser is sort of an indispensable part of getting a really good scan.